grab onto there. Oh. You
Get
just have to shove it right up there, don't you?
Yep. Just get it in there.
Oh my god. Oh, I got it. Yeah.
Oh, you can hear it go.
That's hard to put your fingers in. Yeah, so this all this comes off.
Yep.
Yeah, all the lungs and the weird stuff, yeah.
My. That's supposed to come off. This is all coming off. Wow, now I don't know if I can eat this. That, all that, all that.
Yeah.
Mother. Are you doing this?
Yeah. I don't want to.
This is not number one. Okay. Man, these doesn't look as good as yours. Is that good?
Yeah.
That. Okay.
See, I think the only thing that you have to do is break off its face right there, yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Sure.
Wow, you're a tough chick. You're gonna get you some of those pockets.
Ah, that's cool.
Okay. I think I got it. Did I get it?
Here, I used it right last time.
Yep, that looks good. It's perfection, Christy. Perfection. You did it.
How'd you do?
Okay. Check me out.
Didn't pinch you? I thought I saw that out.
What do you
Butter.